Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Explainable AI. XAI. Understanding why your AI made that decision. Before we dive in, let's quickly remember what AI is for us as developers. We're building smart computer programs that can learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions. Think of it like teaching a computer to tell a cat from a dog by showing it thousands of pictures. You write the code, train the model, and it starts making smart guesses. Here's where it gets tricky. Imagine you've built an AI that predicts if a customer will churn, cancel their subscription. It tells you, yes, this customer will churn. You, as the developer, then ask, why? And the AI often just gives you a blank stare. It makes the decision, but the asterisk reasoning behind it is hidden inside its complex workings. Like a mysterious black box. We know the input and the output, but not the detailed steps in between. This makes it hard to trust, debug, or improve. This is where Explainable AI, or XAI, comes in. XAI is like asking your AI, hey, why did you say this customer will churn? And it replies, because they haven't logged in for 3 weeks, clicked on a competitor's ad, and had a recent complaint. XAI helps us open that black box to understand how an AI reached a particular decision. It's about making AI models transparent and understandable to us, the developers, and the end users. As developers, understanding why is crucial for several reasons. 1. Trust. Asterisk if your AI recommends a critical medical treatment, you'd want to know why, right? Users won't trust an AI they don't understand. 2. Debugging and improvement. Asterisk if your AI makes wrong predictions, how do you fix it if you don't know what went wrong internally? XAI helps pinpoint errors, making debugging much easier. 3. Ethics and fairness. Asterisk is your AI biased? E.g., rejecting loan applications for a certain demographic. XAI can help uncover these biases by showing which factors influenced a decision. 4. Compliance and regulations. Asterisk in industries like finance or healthcare, laws often require explanations for decisions that affect people's lives. XAI provides the tools to meet these requirements. XAI uses different techniques to provide these explanations. Think of it like a car mechanic diagnosing an engine problem. They don't just say, it's broken. They explain which part is failing and why. A common XAI technique is feature importance. If your AI predicts house prices, XAI might tell you the number of bedrooms and location were the most important factors. For a developer, this helps confirm if the AI is looking at the right things, or if it's focusing on irrelevant details, which means your model might be flawed. XAI explanations can be categorized into 2 main types. 1. Local explanations. Asterisk these explain why a single, specific decision was made. Why was this particular loan application rejected? This is crucial for individual user cases and helps you explain to that specific user. 2. Global explanations. Asterisk these explain how the model works overall. What are the general rules my loan approval AI uses? This helps developers understand the model's general behavior, identify systemic biases, and ensure it aligns with business goals. Think of it as explaining one specific play in a game, local, versus explaining the team's overall strategy, global. As developers, you don't need to invent new XAI techniques. There are powerful open-source libraries available for Python and other languages. Popular tools. Asterisk libraries like !lime local interpretable model agnostic explanations, and !shap Shapley additive explanations are widely used. Integration. Asterisk, you can integrate these tools directly into your existing AI development workflow. For example, after your image recognition model predicts dog, line, could highlight the specific pixels that led to that decision. This empowers you, the developer, to understand, debug, and ultimately build more reliable and responsible AI models. XAI is not just a fancy academic term. It's becoming a crucial part of responsible AI development. By embracing XAI, developers can move beyond simply building powerful AI to truly understanding its intelligence. This allows us to build more trustworthy, fair, and reliable AI systems that can have a positive impact on the world. You're not just creating intelligence, you're making it understandable. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.